Hey folks, we scoured the internet to find you the worst and weirdest feet we could. And along the way, we'll tell you a little bit about what's going on with these feet. Here we have what's called onychomycosis, which is a fungal infection of the toenails or fingernails. It can make the nails thick, yellow, and crusty, and can also cause pain, discomfort, and disfigurement. Onychomycosis has to be treated somewhat aggressively because once the fungus is in there, it's hard to get out. There are various methods that doctors use, as well as some home remedies. These remedies are usually something potent enough to kill the fungus, but spare the surrounding tissue. And here we have ingrown toenails. Ingrown toenails are typically treated more quickly, but sometimes treatment requires pieces of the matrix to be removed, which can make the nail permanently smaller. But the treatment is usually worth it, as having an infected toe can be dangerous. There you go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Are these the worst and weirdest feet that you've ever seen? Comment below. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit that like button. We have new content all the time. Hey folks, if you're interested in nootropics to help boost your memory, concentration, and mental energy, then check out Advanced Brain Gains. Let's see how it stacks up against Alpha Brain, one of the leading brands. Each has a comparable but different blend of amino acids and herbal extracts. Additionally, Brain Gains functions as an excellent multivitamin. And on top of that, it's only half the price. So there you go, twice the power, half the price. Check out the link below to get some today.